have to respect the work this superstar has been putting in order to meet the kind of challenge he faces tonight.
Without a doubt, we've seen the hard work paying off. You don't find yourself in a match like this without dedicating your time into your craft. Leave the night light on for her, because this is over.
Makes the cover. Oh, my God.
I'm absolutely stunned. A display of near superhuman resilience.
After seeing that, it's hard to imagine what it's going to take to keep this competitor down.
There's got to be some sense of desperation right now. She's used her best weapon, but the match still continues. And it's reverse, paying for that mistake.
Fireman's carry. Up and F5! Heading back to the ring. Schoolboy.
Uh-oh. Super kick.
Hurricanrana.
She's forced onto the defensive now. The springboard attack fails to land.
Kick to the gut. All the way up. Oh, my goodness.
Able to elude it. Oh, rocking the jaw. Cinched in. Snapmare driver.
That's a match-winning move, guys.
Here we go. Seated senton finds the mark.
Absolutely brutal. Ruthless.
Ooh, look at her answering back. Great counter.
Cinched in.
Snapmare driver.
Oh, wow. Rendered unconscious.